Hello, are you ready to learn HTML? Well, you are on the right place. My name is Muhammad and I am full stack developer at Institute of Software Technologies. So before I start this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, so stick around as I take you through this course.
Okay, in this lesson we are going to define what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and also is the standard markup language for creating web pages. For those of you who think that HTML is a programming language, well, it's not a programming language. It is a markup language. But still you can create a website. We all know that HTML consists of a series of elements, and elements tells the browser how to display the content of a web. Elements are represented by tags, and in these tags we have contents like headings, paragraphs, tables, and so on. Okay, now you know what is HTML. Let's look at a simple HTML document. This is how HTML document looks like. The first one, we have doctype HTML, which defines this document to be HTML5. Second, we have the opening HTML, which is the root element of an HTML page. And the third one, we have the opening head, which contains meta information about the document. The fourth one we have is the title. The title specifies a title for the document. And the most important one we have is the body. The body contains the visible page content. And here we have the H1, and H1 defines a large heading. Later in this course we are going to talk more about headings. So let's move to the next one, which is paragraph. P defines a paragraph. So that's all for about HTML document. Now that I've shown you a simple HTML document, next let's look HTML tags. HTML tags are elements names surrounded by angle brackets. HTML tags normally come in pairs like the opening P and the closing P. The first tag in a pair is the start tag and the second tag is the end tag. Also, we can call them the opening tag and the closing tag. Okay, let's talk about HTML editors. All you need is a simple text editor to learn HTML. You can either use Notepad, Atom, Sublime, or VS Code. I personally use VS Code because it's one of my favorite text editor that I use. But for those who don't have, you can download. I've shown a video, so make sure you check out my YouTube. Okay, the next. So about the Notepad, it automatically comes with your machine. So you can just open the Notepad. So that's all. So make sure you stick around as I take you through this.